how to record desktop audio with Audacity. Here's what you want to do. First, you will load up Audacity. Then you want to click on Edit. Go to Preferences. Right here, you want to find Interface Host, and you will change this to Windows WASAPI. Now, for the playback device, you can leave this as it is. For the recording device, you want to find speakers and make sure this says Realtek Audio. Once you have done this, make sure you select the speakers, and again, like I said, Realtek Audio. If it's not showing for you like it isn't for me, then you need to update your audio drivers. Now select speakers, then you will click on OK. Right here you just want to verify, click on audio setup, recording device, and make sure this is set to speakers, Realtek Audio. And if you click on record here, this should begin recording your desktop audio. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.